Hello, I'm Chris Waddell, founder of Lamin-x Protective Films. One of the questions you have for us is, can I install the Lamin-x myself? And the great thing about our products is that we design it to be very forgiving for the average installer. We provide a much thicker amount of adhesive on there, so you're able to actually apply and take it off and reapply it again dozens of times upon the initial installation until you get it just right. It's very, very forgiving. So when you're actually installing something like, say, a fog light kit, it's real small, you apply it dry, we include handling tabs on a pre-cut kit, so you can actually get it on the surface area, and if you don't get it right, pull back up, reapply it again. And most fog light applications are the easiest, what we consider a level 1 installation, and anybody can really do this without any problem. When you get to level 2, 3, and 4, which are more of a moderate installation difficulty, if you're mechanically inclined and good with your hands or have experience with, say, installing stickers or vinyl or any other type of products like that, then you can certainly install Lamin-x yourself. Follow our installation videos that you can check out on our website, read the instructions thoroughly, use the tools that we provide you, and you're able to actually install your pre-cut kit or universal sheet using those instructions and be able to get the successful installation and be happy with it. When you start getting to a level 5 of difficulty, that's the hardest. This is where if you're not really familiar with the products and haven't used Lamin-x a bunch of times, then we recommend probably going to finding an installer or a dealer near you. So you can go to lamin-x.com to find our dealer locator, put in your zip code and find an installer and dealer to purchase the product and install it for you there. But otherwise, again, the product is really forgiving. We try to make it easy for any of the average person if you're really good with your hands. So yes, to answer your question, you can certainly install Lamin-x. If you have any additional questions regarding this, you can email us at help@lamin-x, call us, or hit us up on a live chat. And if you have any other questions, just let us know. Thanks. Have a great day. Take care.